Little thing I just discovered here. Next time you're fiddle farting around with those little backing nuts on your battery, just throw some E6000 in there. Once you get them in, take it out and put it back in. You'll never have to worry about fishing for that little fun little guy again. Yeah. Oh.
And I had to call my friend Landon, and he drove, and it like rolls to a stop on the shoulder of the fucking freeway. Did you? When? Just today? Yesterday?
First was circle, then this was second, this was third, this was fourth, because the cap was hitting. So if you have that cap, then obviously, yeah. Shout out to wonk333 for that. I'm super stoked he ended up getting that to work. Sweet little cup holder. And then this right here is going to be the next cut. And I'm kind of just basically looking under and watching where the edge is very carefully and trying to allow myself a little bit of room. So I go through first with this little bit right here. It's pretty, I need to replace it, but I'm kind of stretching it. But one of those little guys, I think it is carbide. I'm not sure. It's like a little metal disc. That seems to work a little bit better than the regular, like a steel cutoff wheel. With this anyway, there's a couple of them that work, but either way. And then I'm gonna go through after that and then go around with the, once I get it to fit, I'm probably gonna have to take more off of here after I get this chunk out, set it down, and then we're gonna finish this little piece here, and then I'll probably have to smooth out the whole top and around the outside. Around the outside. Actually, I think I will because they're right there. Anyway, so that's my process. Once I get done with the cuts, then I'm going to go through with my sander bit on the Dremel, and then after that, probably take it down with some sandpaper, and I think that'll be it. So I'll let you know how it looks when we're done here. Doing this one so far, I got a little bit more done up here. It's still not sitting all the way flush, but looking straight down, I think I got most of this brought in to where it's not almost even. I'm gonna have to think I take a little bit more right there, but you can see I come way out right here, so I don't think that was a smart idea, coming past down below this line, coming this way. So I'm trying to keep it all up on this side this time and bring it in, and that should give me a nice perfect hug on that side. And whether or not I end up fixing this or doing something else funky, I don't know. Maybe I'll just put something there like a pen holder or something, I don't know. We'll see. Okay, team safety meeting. I am now only using these because that's the old one. These guys, hang on. Okay, these guys, and it may just be because I got the Dremel off Amazon and these are the only ones that came with them. But this, I mean, saw how easy that was. I got two right there. From there, and the thing shattered and went flying, and luckily I was not sticking my face in front of it intentionally because I didn't know how long it was going to last, and that went way too quickly. Yeah, and they fly off really freaking fast and hard. Like, I wouldn't want to get hit with one or my cats to get hit with one. So I am now just going to recommend, what I got was this little secondary kit, also off Amazon, with all of these fun little guys. Some of these guys too, some bigger things. I might just try that guy right there. Cause yeah, I've only been using, I'm still on the first one of these, and I just now went through it and I cut like all the plastics on this thing, like this hole, the other hole, fronts, backs, top, like so far everything with this one bit or disc. So I like them. But we're gonna try that bad boy right there. Oh my freaking America. Oh yeah, no, so that was fun, but we're gonna go back to the regular discs. Yeah. Alright, so hours later, those cuts were not quite the right cuts. As you can see, I end up going up a little bit higher, taking out more right around there, kind of in the midsection on the fairing, and having to take out a lot more right down in there. Right from there, well, really all the way through across again, but yeah, she's going slow, but hopefully she'll look good, at least on that side. This side, yeah. And I still don't know what I'm going to do about these humps, but we're going to do something with that to make that look good, and also not so I'm not hitting that with my legs. So I don't know, we'll figure that out in a second. I'm drained, I might call it soon.